So right now we're just kind of cleaning off the outside of the grill. Little remnants and dust particles right there. And that's how you know you need a duct cleaner.
Alrighty, so what we're doing here is we're just going to spray this decontamination fluid into the return, and what that will do is that will go all throughout all of the ducts and your unit, and it will coat the entire thing in decontamination antifungal spray. And what that will do is it will stop you from having any bacterial growths in your system or anything like that. It will very much help with allergies.
What we've got here is your Germisol UV light. We install this inside of the A coil on your indoor unit. It goes just right here, clicks in, we tie it into your low volt. And as you can see, it illuminates the inside of the coil, so it eliminates any of that bacterial growth.